It's another busy week in earnings, and I brought you the hottest charts for this week. These are the ones, the big names that everybody's going to be watching, and a couple of them are FANG kind of related. Some of the N of the FANG, depending on which company you're choosing for the N. But let's jump right into it and see what they are. So the first one is Disney. Now, this is a big name that's owned by just about everybody, it seems, but you can see that the shares have been stuck for a couple of years. It only has these 3 misses in the last year, though, so it does have the good track record, but people are still bothered by what's happening with ESPN, and even though the movies are killing it, no one seems to care about that. But we'll see if we can get a change here, maybe get back to more of the chart looking like it did from 2013 into 2015 there. That was a big rally move, but this is one that a lot of people will be watching. And then we're going to have Electronic Arts. So this is also one I've covered here before on the videos. It just has that one miss in early 2017. And this is a great looking chart. It's just got plenty of momentum, and it looks like it might want to test this 2018 highs again, which we haven't seen that many of these hot stocks doing. So this is also another one that could get a boost off of another beat. And then Planet Fitness. Now, this one's kind of off the radar, but it really shouldn't be. It went IPO in 2015, and I've covered it in the past because it keeps beating quietly. Although, if you were in it, it's not that quiet, because as you can see, it's really broken out here in 2018. One of the few stocks that has had the big breakout, and it's seen just real strong numbers, and the expansion continues. So Planet Fitness on the wellness and health side, this is a hot one. And then we're going to get Booking. Now, don't forget that this is Priceline, just changed its name to Booking. And the shares on this one, too, are hotter than ever. Now, it kind of stalled out there for part of 2017. It looked like maybe it wasn't going to revisit the highs and take off, but then it did on the beat last quarter. And it's trying to test those all-time highs once again. But it's going to need a real strong quarter here, so we'll see on this one. I also own this one in my personal portfolio. And another hot name, Nvidia. Now, this is the N of the FANG I was talking about. Some people call it the second N after Netflix. It only has that one miss going back into 2015. And otherwise, it's been off to the races. Now, can it keep this momentum? Is the cycle done in the semis? We don't know. And this is what we're all waiting to find out. But this is the premier name in the group. If anyone can keep the momentum, it's Nvidia. And all eyes are going to be on this one to see if it can break out even further here in 2018. So these are a bunch of the hot stocks of the week, and surprisingly, given that we've seen a lot of the stocks that have pulled back, a lot of the large caps, some of these, both the smalls, mediums, and larges here, are still rallying. So this is a little intriguing this week. It'll be fun to watch to see if another beat can actually propel these ones higher. As always, I'm here every week during earnings season bringing you all of the best charts. So don't think just because the FANG is done that we're done bringing you the earnings. We're not, because we're still going to get a lot of the retail group and various other companies that are kind of the stragglers at the end here of the earnings season still yet to come. So be sure to tune in on YouTube and on Zacks.com for all of our latest earnings news.